cases for the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 Pro. I recently picked up the iPhone 13 Pro, and coming from an iPhone 11, the first thing I noticed was the round shape being gone. Now it looks better, but it also feels annoying to hold in the hand. And that's why you need one of the 3 cases here. And also from breaking the glass on your new phone. The design is nothing new. I've reviewed the Ringke Fusion X cases for multiple phones now. But this time around it looks a little cooler in my opinion. For all 3, the cutouts are good and the grip is also very sturdy. The clear case really had a good balance in not being slippery when it's getting greasy, and the Onyx has a coating on the back which makes it even better. But like previously, the Onyx feels a little cheaper than the other models. Maybe because the thinner plastic used. The Fusion X remains a solid choice for everyone that wants best of both worlds, a clear back and solid edges. I've got a lot more cases coming up, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss them. Thanks a lot for watching and have a fantastic day.